You know, Beans, there comes a time in every man's life where he needs to move onward and upward. He's got to get rid of that immature thing he's doing. He's got to live in a more mature world, Beans. A world...
Where's my stupid surprise already?
Well, Beans, I was getting to that. Brace yourself.
Wow! Your cute gum collection!
And I want you to have it.
I'm speechless.
Beans, shh. Don't say a word, Beans. Just hug me.
Monster High toy line. Her clothes has a cat on it. I love it. Barbie and Stacy, pink binoculars, pink cowgirl hat. It's really cute. Barbie mermaid color change doll. I love her hair. It turns to pink. Polly Pocket compact seaside puppy ride. It has a beach, bunk bed, jet ski, space ones like me.
Golden chips. Only £1.65 at Tesco. Great for fish and chip Fridays, Mondays, Tuesdays, even Wednesdays, or, Thursdays. That's true value. Only £1.65 at Tesco. Every little helps.
Now that's a fine-looking fish on your dish. The fishmonger on Market Street has fresh whole salmon like this beauty at just $6.99 a kilo with more card exclusives. More of a merry Fishmas.
Pig goes pop! Roll the dice, then feed him the coloured burgers. Pump his hat, he's getting bigger! It's a 4! Pump and pump. If he gets any bigger, he's going to... Oh! Pig goes pop from Ideal.
Mumbai. It is such a beautiful day. Now, Mumbai is a city that allows you to be ambitious.
If you compare it to New York, you might call it the Big Mango.
Every person wants to be rich and wants to have an opulent life.
I would like to be a supermodel.
It's not a businessman style, but am I in the boardroom? No.
Mumbai believes in working hard and playing harder.
Lights, camera, coffee machine.
Cut. Please tell me you got that, Trev.
Yeah. This is gonna break the internet.
From toys to tech to homeware, this Christmas, there's more to Argos.
Are you feeling quizzical, Pop Girl?
There's nothing I'd rather do.
Get yourself over to popgirl.tv, where you can find out which character you are from your favourite Pop Girl shows. Take the What's Up Warthog quiz to find out whether you're an Eric.
Maybe we should consider it.
A Lainey.
I.e. awesome.
Or more of a Victoria.
I love that idea.
And all you have to do is click on the answer on screen that sounds most like you.
Just
only on the quizzes section at popgirl.tv. Pop Girl's got your evening sorted. Join us for Pop Girl's Night In and start your evening off right with our hot new show, Foreign Exchange.
Yes! Fantastic. What are you doing here?
We've got all your favourite shows lined up for you. Then finish the night off with teen tennis drama 15 Love. Pop Girls Night In every evening starting at 5:30. Exclusively on Pop Girl. Could you imagine if millions of people around the world were watching your every move? Saw all your cringeworthy moments. And knew all about your secret crush.
Do you know how many hours I've wasted crushing on Trent? Like, all of them.
Well, Maddie doesn't have to imagine it. It's her life. She won a contest with her best friend Julia, and now they have their own reality TV show.
You've just won your own reality TV show!
We won our own reality show! Madge, check it out! You're on TV!
But it's kind of awesome when it's not embarrassing. Really Me, a really funny brand new show coming to Pop Girl this May. Fashionistas, on your marks, get set, style.
Let's go.
Pop Girl has a fantastic new show for you called Style Stars.
It's bold, it's fierce, and it's a really good quick fashion fix.
Watch 4 girls put their style cred to the test. Only one will come out on top.
3, 2, 1, style!
Watch Style Stars every day at 8:30 a.m, 1:30 p.m, and 6 p.m. Only on Pop Girl. Bored of all things British?
Well, duh.
Then why not become an American teen?
What's that?
You out with the big dogs now.
All you need is a name more suited to a barn owl.
Hey, Twitty. What's up?
Tawny! A flair for wild overreactions.
You got a zip the size of a Volkswagen.
And of course a football coach to trample on your dreams.
What is that smell?
Even Stevens starting Tuesday right here on Pop Girl.
Now it's time for Lizzie McGuire.
Lizzie McGuire.
Today, we'll be participating in the Presidential Fitness Challenge.
Why can't it be the presidential something that Lizzie's good at challenge? I don't want a challenge. I want a nap.
Guys, keep it down. The president's gonna be here.
The goal of this exercise is to hang on the bar until your arms fall off. Mr. Gordon?
What exactly does hanging on a bar have to do with fitness?
Take it up with the